In this equation, we're asked to determine if the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 23 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Now, this is a general form, okay, which represents a circle with centre minus g minus f, and the radius is given by this. Now, this will be given in the higher formula sheet in your exam, so you won't need to memorise this. I'll show you how to go about showing that. Well, first of all, the condition is for a circle, so you always start off like this. For a circle to exist, this portion here, g squared plus f squared minus c, must be greater than 0. Now we need to get g and f, and we can get that because if you look at this here, you've got the 2g is given by this, and the 2f is given by this part here. So we can then say that 2g is equal to minus 4, so g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 6, so f is minus 3. Now c is simply 23. Plug that in, so we've got g squared, so g squared, that's minus 2 all squared, and then you get minus 3 all squared minus 23, 4 plus, so that'll give me minus 10. So since g squared plus f squared minus c is less than 0, i.e. minus 10 is less than 0, therefore the equation x squared y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 23 does not represent a circle.